Hello everybody, I am Tyagaraja JS, Professor and HOD Department of CSE, SDMIT Ujire. I welcome you all to this session on Introduction to Python. Python is more than just a programming language. It is also a great place to begin if you just started to learn coding. Python is a fastest growing language in terms of developers, libraries, and applications that it can be used. It could be machine learning techniques, artificial intelligence techniques, web development, data analytics, mobile applications, web scraping, and anything that one thing can be designed and developed using Python. Now let us go ahead with the agenda of this session. Initially, we'll understand what is Python, why it is so popular, what are the features of Python that is making it more popular, which are the industries that are adapted use Python as an official language or a language for developing an application, and what are the basic steps that student has to follow to learn Python, and what are the career opportunities one can get after mastering Python. Now, what is Python? Python is a general purpose, high level interpreted language with easy syntax and dynamic initialization. Development of Python started as a hobby project by its creator Guido van Rossum in 1989. He wanted to make a language that was beautiful to look at and easy for every reader and programmer as well. To do this, he used indentation instead of curly braces. To develop the block of code, however, Python initially did not attract the developers. With the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python has become more productive. Why is Python more popular? Python became more popular within a short span of time because of its attractive characteristics like easy syntax. Syntax is very easy, it's a free of more special characters. It makes use of very less special characters. It's a free of too much special character like comma, colon, full stop, exclamatory symbols, inverted quotes, braces, etc. And it is free for everybody to use. One can modify and rebuild the Python. It is a free of cost, and any applications can be developed using Python programming language. Python supports to do design any type of applications. One things like graphical user interface, mobile apps, web app, server-side programming, artificial intelligence engine, machine learning systems, data analysis, web scraping, and many more. And library and support that it provides has attracted a large huge community of developers to come together and update the libraries regularly. Now, what are the features of Python that makes it more attractive? If you take any programming language, it is the features of the programming language that makes more attractive. Some of the well-known features of Python are as follows. One is simplicity. It is a very simple programming language. Writing a Python program takes very less time and it also takes less time for learning as well as writing, and can be designed to solve any complex solution with minimal code. And it is open source. It is a free of cost. Anybody can log in to the python.org, download it, install it, and run the program, whatever the program you want, and you can design and develop any applications free of cost. Portability. Python can be installed in any hardware with minimum configuration requirements. With minimum configuration, it may be an Intel or ARM processor. It is independent of any hardware and software. It may be any operating system. It may be a Windows, or it may be a Mac operating system, or it may be a Linux operating system. Any operating system or any hardware architecture, it is compatible, and hence it is portable in nature. Python is not an isolated language, and also it is flexible in the sense you can embed Python with other languages also. That means you can integrate C language, C++ language, Java languages into the Python and use it as a single integrated program, integrated applications made up of multiple languages. It is an interpreter. Python is an interpreted through line by line executions. Since it is interpreted through line by line execution, it leads to optimized memory management and it is very fast execution. Libraries that Python contains is a huge set of libraries. It has got a libraries for mathematical equations. It has got library uh, for simulations, for networking, for web applications, for data analytics, for machine learning, for artificial intelligence, game development, for web user interface development. For almost all type of application, it has got a huge set of libraries. And also, the one most important characteristic of Python is it is object oriented in nature. This features makes Python to develop any real-time applications. Any real-time problem can be solved using these features of the Python. Now, where is Python used? Google is a company which uses Python as its official language. Okay, and it is used for better searching, better searching based on ranking of the websites and much more. Dropbox company it uses Python to develop client application as well as server application on the cloud. Netflix is another company in which machine learning is used to cluster, but machine learning techniques is designed and developed using Python. Here, machine learning is used mainly to cluster the users and identify what are the interests of the user. Based on their interest, the services will be recommended. But all these things at the back end, it will be designed and developed using Python. And in security purpose, particularly in National Security Agency, they uses Python for encryption and decrypting work using this Python programming language. Another company say BitTorrent. It uses Python for transferring the files between one peer to the another peer. Okay, NASA also uses Python as an official language for complex mathematical and scientific calculations. Okay, now learning Pythons. How to learn Python? Okay, these are all some features and what are some important industries that have been adapted the Python for software development. Now learning Python. How to learn a Python? What are the different steps that one should follow to learn a Python? Okay, step one is Python basics has to be mastered. Like initially, one should learn what is the meaning of keywords, what are the different types of keyword that is supported in Python, how many keywords and how to use that keywords, and how to write an expressions, how to use a variables, what are the different types of data type that is supported by the Python program, and how to use it in program. And first simple programs initially one should type and write and practice the program in order to get a understanding of the programming structure and also understanding of flow control, boolean values, operators and functions. These are all some basics one should master, and after learning these basics one should do some simple programs, many programming exercise. As a step 2, one should learn what are strings, what are lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets. After learning these data structures, one should do some projects, some mini project based on this data structure. And in the step 3, one should move towards learning regular expressions, pattern matching, how to do the pattern matching using regular expressions, and how to handle the files, different files, and how to handle the exceptions. And based on these concepts, how to do the projects. And as a step 4, one should learn object-oriented programming, which is very important to solve real-time applications. That is how to design a class, how to create an object, how to write a solution based on the classes and object-based programming. Then as a step 5 or final step, one should learn what is web scraping. Web scraping in the sense of mining a data by visiting the different websites and extracting those data and storing it in the either in Excel form or CSV form. Here also at the end one should practice a lot of projects. If one do multiple projects, then only you can run the Python, or one can master the Python programming language. Now, after learning this Python or after mastering Python, what are the career opportunities one can get? Like web development, one can enter into the industry related to the web development, and he can become a web developer, game developer, by design and learning a game development. Particularly if you take a web development, you have to learn the Django framework, and similarly for game development, take inter library package, you have to learn big data analytics, as if you can do all the big data analytics solutions using Python, and you can become a big data expert, web testing expert, artificial intelligence engineer is one another opportunity if you learn Python, and if you know AI techniques like natural language processing, computer vision based on the Python, you can easily enter into the AI companies, and also machine learning company, particularly for useful for data analytics. If you one can learn and understand using Python the machine learning algorithms, and data visualization and data analytics can be done uh, using Python, and if you master this concept, one can enter into the industry related to the data analytics. And IoT based smart devices, for IoT based smart devices Python programming is necessary, and also for software development. Okay, for software development Python can be used, and one can master the Python for particularly for software development purposes, and can get an opportunity related to software developer. Now one can also become an automation engineer nowadays. A self-driving car or any automation, home automations, all these things have been developed by using a Python programming concepts only. Okay, one can enter into that field also. One can become automation engineer if he is master in Python, along with the automation engineering packages he must master. Okay. Okay, so now I hope all of you know what is Python and why everybody wish to learn Python so much. One should learn Python because it is a fun to learn Python and easy to program it. This brings to the end of this session. Thank you all. Happy learning.